What's up, buddy? This is Dave from BitBull. I know lots of you have texted me that market is depressing, but nobody. Market is not at all depressing. Market is challenging these days. You have to take that challenge and you have to make money out of this market. So think smartly. Back in 2016-17, market used to be this much. Few coins, you have this option. Put anywhere, this is gonna grow. It's not like, okay, this one is dumping today. This one can grow. This one has some opportunity or possibilities to grow in coming years. No, market used to be like 10-15 coins and you're just putting your money, you're just dumping your money blindly and it is growing. But today, market is huge. We have new NFT and DeFi in this market. So market is challenging these days and opportunities are huge. From past 2 months, I have been constantly researching on NFT. Like when every coin is in red zone, how the hell this NFT making profits? Day by day, every NFT coin is making money. The whole NFT market is in green zone. Their volume is up, their market cap is like growing day by day. From today's video, you're gonna get an idea like how to involve yourself into this NFT market and how to earn money from this market in everyday basis. So before wasting any more time, let me just tell you about this NFT market. The big shark like Mark Cuban has already invested $250 million in this market last year. He bought stakes in NFT platforms like Super Rare, Mintable, OpenSea and CryptoSlam. This all four is a NFT marketplace where you can sell your product as a NFT. So NFT एक certificate है which certify your art as a unique and rare in this world, which makes your art unique and more expensive. Now, what is the difference between you are selling your art on an NFT market or on a open market? एक open market पे आप अगर art का auction करते हो, मैं आपसे सोच लीजिए आपका painting 100 रुपये पे ले लिया, ठीक है? Now you are not the owner of this art anymore. Next time अगर मुझे कोई 150 rupees propose करेगा, मैं वो art को उसको बेच दूंगा. But you will not be making any profit out of this. In NFT market, once your art certified as a NFT, whenever your art changes its owner, you'll be getting a percentage of money in your pocket. Next thing, सोच लो मैं आपसे वो piece of art खरीद के Instagram में फोटो लेके पोस्ट कर दिया कि I bought this. Now everyone can save a copy of this photo. It's not rare anymore. But through NFT, at a time, owner एक ही हो सकता है क्योंकि ये blockchain system में काम करता है. आप जब भी आपके art किसी को बेचते हो, एक यूनिक कोड जनरेट होता है जिसके थ्रू कोई भी ये आर्ट को कॉपी नहीं कर सकता. And that's what makes your art rare and unique. Now the part is, how can you sell your art on NFT? That's a complete different tutorial part and we'll be hosting that tutorial part in coming days. There will be thorough conversation and consultation in this process, but there will be few terms and conditions before you onboard with us in this process. We'll be not sharing that video how to convert your art to NFT in this very YouTube video. For your information and to make you understand that how crazy is this market and how unique is this market, Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. This whole NFT market has been there since 2014, but since cryptocurrency market is booming, this NFT market is also comes into this picture. So all those transactions, all those buying and selling, you can't use your fiat money. It should be through cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. So specifically, NFTs are typically held on Ethereum blockchain. As I mentioned in my early videos, that Ethereum is going to launch its 2.0 next month on August 4. That London hard fork upgrade, which is EPI 1995. This very update version of Ethereum is going to help this NFT market, and this NFT market can grow bigger than ever. Coins like Theta, Chiliz, Decentraland, ENZ, all this coin is growing day by day because of this uniqueness of this platform. If you can look at this market, these coins are like for 24 hours, it's 4%, 10%, 42% up. And if you are comparing a 70%, every bit of coin is up over 100%. Even I can't imagine the depth of this market and how far this market gonna reach. So in this case, you have every opportunity to make money out of this market. You just need to open your mind and research deeper. So this was just a normal, a short version of NFT and what is NFT, what is the potential of this market, and how can I make money out of it. But the thing is, if you want to see the bigger picture, if you want to really involve in this market and make money out of it every day, just drop a mail on our official mail ID, or you can drop a comment directly. We'll get back to you within 0 business days. So alright guys, that's it from my side, and I hope this piece of video will definitely gonna help you in many ways. So at the end of the day, share, like and subscribe our channel. Stay with us. We'll never gonna let you down in any chapter. So take care. See you around. Keep building.